Okay, here we have UGDH, which is a very important enzyme for my research lab. And we are trying to find a biological marker for castration-resistant prostate cancer. And so we're doing proliferation assays. And I don't know if you can tell, but as it goes along, it gets closer to purple, and that indicates the cell count. So we start out on day 0. Well, we're looking at 2 cell lines where there's the LNCaP 33, and then over here we have the LNCaP 81. And the 33 comes from a prostate cell line that's an early stage, so it can still be treated. Whereas the 81 is derived from 33s, but is resistant to treatment. And for prostate cancer, if you're resistant to treatment, that's 100% fatal. And so we're trying to find a way to screen for that so that we can either do preliminary treatments or to find a way to make it respond to treatment again. And so here, if you see that this OE symbolizes the overexpression of UGDH, and when the 33s, which do respond to treatment, have overexpressed UGDH, then it's going to look exactly like the 81 cell line, which is resistant to treatment. But on the other hand, if you knock down the expression of UGDH in the 81 line, which is resistant, then it behaves similarly to the 33 line, which does respond to treatment. So if you look down here, their day 3 is going to be similar, and that represents the cell count, so how quickly they're able to grow, which is important in cancer. And so we're hoping that this preliminary data will give us a biological marker and also give us a way to clinically knock down UGDH in order to either treat the prostate-resistant cancer or make the quality of life a little better in those last few years.
Thanks, Malone. I can't remember what UGDH is. I think I remember it something to do with carbohydrate metabolism.
Yeah, so UGDH is like this really cool enzyme, which is a trimer of a dimer, which is very, very complex, so it's hard to characterize. And it's involved in glucuronidation, which has to do with, the cells growing, and they need the products that UGDH makes, because it makes 3 different products. It needs all of them to grow and to thrive.